So introducing the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G. Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G is India's fastest charging smartphone. With this all-new technology, all you need is just 15 minutes to go to 100% charge. With this phone, you get a lot of things, starting with the exceptional 120-watt fast charging that will charge the phone in just 15 minutes, making it India's fastest charging smartphone. It is also one of the first few phones in the country to be powered by the all-new Dimensity 920 5G chip. This is clubbed with vapor chamber cooling. It also supports additional up to 3 GB of virtual RAM, and thus you can get a total of up to 11 GB RAM. It comes with 120Hz Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display for an impeccable viewing experience, Dolby Atmos sound for exceptional audio experience, and 108 megapixel triple pro camera setup with dual native ISO for incredible low light performance. This phone is also protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and comes with IP53 rating. It has a 3.5mm jack and an expandable storage up to 1 terabyte. And all of this with the 120-watt Xiaomi Hypercharge technology. While the phone supports 120 watt of Hypercharge, we didn't want all of you guys to wait to experience this. And hence, we are bundling a 120-watt Xiaomi Hypercharge adapter into the box. Yes, you heard it right. We also have Xiaomi 11i 5G that brings all the goodness of Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge, but with a bigger battery clubbed with 67-watt turbocharged fast charging and a 67-watt charger in the box. Let us start with the price of 120-watt Xiaomi Hypercharge adapter. This 120-watt adapter will be priced at only Rs 3,999. I'm happy to share that the pricing of Xiaomi 11i will start from only Rs 24,999. We also have some great limited time New Year offers across bank cashback, prepaid offers and more that will take the effective price down to only Rs 21,499. And for the 8GB 128GB variant, the pricing will be only Rs 26,999. And with all the great New Year offers, you can buy it for an effective price of only Rs 23,499. But hang on, there's one more way through which you can get an exceptional offer on Xiaomi 11i. We are partnering with Flipkart to bring Xiaomi 11i and Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge Edition under the Flipkart Smart Upgrade program.